Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Rainbow Six Siege error code 80x00001300. The error message reads, Rainbow Six Siege servers are unreachable. Please try again later. According to our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game. Some players have also reported that when the error appears, their R6 credits, renown and level are reset to 0 and everything is grayed out. According to our research, the error is likely caused by server connection issues, network problems or add-on conflicts. To deal with the error, first, restart your gaming device and check if the game has any pending updates. If there is an update available, install it and restart the game. If the error persists, try power cycling your internet. Simply turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for about 5 minutes and then plug it back in. Then restart your internet and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, try connecting to a different network. You can switch to another Wi-Fi connection or use a mobile hotspot to see if the issue is related to your current internet provider. Some players have fixed this error by removing all add-ons and power cycling their device. So we suggest you try the same. To do this, remove all game add-ons. Then turn off your device completely. Then restart your device and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if Rainbow Six Siege or Ubisoft servers are down. To check the servers, you can refer to the ubisoft.com/n-us/game/rainbow-6/siege/status. If the servers are down, you may have to wait until Ubisoft resolves the issue. If nothing helps, then contact Ubisoft support and report the issue. They may be able to provide further troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.